they're asking us which expression is equal to negative 27 minus 11i. So we're going to have to do a little bit of array here. We have 3 plus 4i, and then negative 5 plus 3i. So we can multiply negative 15, 9i, negative 20i, and 12i squared. We can combine these to get negative 15 plus 12i squared minus 20i plus 9i. Alright, so combining these, we know that I squared equals negative 1, so this is actually negative 15 and negative 12 all together, because if you multiply 12 times negative 1, you get negative 12. Negative 15 and negative 12 is going to give you negative 27. And then this right here will give me a minus 20, and a positive 9i is a negative 11i. So yes, this first one definitely comes out to be the right answer that we're looking for. Number 2, they give us negative 6i times 2 plus I, and then we're going to subtract a 33 minus I. To distribute the 6i into this grouping, you just want to multiply 6 times 2. Right, so that gives you the negative 12i. The next term is going to be negative 6i times I, which is negative 6i squared, and then just subtract out this final grouping. We're now ready for our final answer, and we're going to box that in at the bottom, negative 33 plus I. Okay, so these two terms will match up because I squared equals negative 1, and negative times a negative is a positive. So this is actually going to be negative 33 plus 6, which is negative 27. Now we have negative 12i and positive 1i, which gives us negative 11i. So this also matches our answer. For number 19, we can look at number 3. 11i times 2 is 22i, and that is not at all what we need, so we know that number 3 isn't going to work for us. Number 4, 11 times negative I minus 3 plus 6 means that we're going to have negative 11i. 11 times negative 3 is negative 33, and then plus 6. This right here equals negative 27, and then you're going to finish it with negative 11i. Since all 3 of these are matched to your original answer, you're going to answer J for this one. Okay, number 20 gives you a delivery service. It states that for a rectangular package, the sum of the length and girth cannot exceed 108 inches. Length of rectangular package is 28 inches, so what is the maximum possible volume? Length times width times height is what we're looking for here, and we just have to make sure that that part of it is less than 108. So let's get started. So we're looking first at the box. They give us that the girth cannot exceed 108 inches. So the sum between all these, the girth, you can see they labeled it here for you, is going to be 2 of the widths plus 2 of the heights. And they say that the sum of the girth plus the length, which was 28 inches, cannot exceed 108 inches. So I'm going to get 2w plus 2 heights less than or equal to 80. This is a square rectangular prism, so I know that w and h are virtually the same thing here. So this is actually